Hello mathematicians, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this print page from your packet to make a spinner and then some activities that you can do with it. So one thing I really like to do is to use a spinner to make 3-digit numbers to practice that expanded form, word form, and standard form. So you're going to look for a paper clip in your house. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can also just drop something on your paper and see where it lands to find the number. But if you do have a paper clip, I can show you how to make a spinner. So you're going to put it in the middle, and then you're going to put your pencil on the tip of it so it's holding it in place. And then you're going to take your finger and you're going to flick it. See how I flicked it? Now my paper clip is pointing to 0. Let me try again. So if I start it here and I flick it, now it landed on 4. Let me try again. Flick. Now it landed on 3. So you're going to see where your paper clip lands. Let me try to make a 3-digit number. So let's see. I got 8. So I'm going to go ahead and write 8 as the first number in my 3-digit number. So it's actually going to be in my hundreds place. And I'm going to add more since it's 3 digits. Let's see what my second digit number is going to be. 2. So I'm going to add 2 to my tens place. Now let me try again. It's right in the middle of 0 and 7, so I'm going to actually flip it again, and I got 0. So the number that I got by spinning my spinner was 820. So now I'm going to show 820. Let me close my window because it's loud outside. So now I'm going to show 820 in word form. E, I, G, H, T, H, U, N, D, R, E, D, T, W, E, N, T, Y. 820. See, there's nothing in my ones place, so I can just leave 20 as is. If I expand this number and put it into expanded form, I can do 800 plus 20 plus 0. 800 would look like this with my base 10 blocks. I need 8 flat blocks, big blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. 800 plus 2 longs. 10, 20, plus 0 in my ones place. So I don't have anything. So this is 800 plus 20 plus nothing makes 820. I don't even need that last plus. Should we try one more number? I got 410, 9. So 419. This one's kind of dirty. 419 is 400 plus 10 plus 9. This looks like 400 blocks plus 1 10 stick plus 9 small dots. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 419, and my word form would be FOURHUNDREDNINETEN 419. So mathematicians, that's how you use a spinner to make a 3-digit number and show it in expanded form, word form, and base 10 block form, and standard form, expanded form. Have a great day, mathematicians.